welcome back to the last Cassie's Kitchen ever. Today we'll be making raspberry, love potion?
Yeah, this is a remake from the love potion of me and Nathan.
So Richard, who do you love now?
Everybody.
So you planned out this recipe all by yourself, so you're gonna have to...
I sure did.
Okay, so what's the first thing that I do?
So, you take those raspberries, divide them up in 2 glasses, and then mash them up with a fork or a spoon. Those glasses are from Claire from her sister's grad party. Go Panthers!
Now that I'm back, what's next?
Next, you add 2 drops of lemon juice.
Got it. Now what?
Now add some, like, 1/4 of a teaspoon of sugar. Just like kind of estimate.
We're gonna figure this out. All right, this is coming together real nice. Now what?
Real nicely. Oh yeah. All right, next add like a spoonful of ice cream. Now open the pink lemonade. It's kind of hard to open. Oh.
You ready, Richard?
I'm sad.
Me too, Richard. But Richard, I have good news for you. I heard next year someone is gonna come in and do a new kitchen show. And maybe I'll come back to visit one day. We did the Valentine's Day recipe because it was one of our favorite recipes that we've ever made, so we wanted to do a recreation, but better. So I guess with that, this has been Cassie Killian, signing out for Cassie's Kitchen. We love our fans.
Very, very much.
I've never loved someone more than our fans.
I've got a confession to make.